There is a Setswana saying, Ditlamelwana di baakanngwa gale. The containers for rain are prepared early. Not when the rain starts, not when the skies turn dark. Before, we live in a time where everyone is talking. Some speak of survival, some speak of change, some speak of returning to what was, some speak of order and systems, different voices, different truths, different realities. And when you stand in the middle of it, it feels like nothing is moving. But look carefully. Movement is there. Not always in parliament, not always on TV, but in small decisions. A person decides to walk instead of drive. A garden replaces a lawn. A skill is learned quietly. A conversation shifts from complaining to building. This is where change actually lives. We are waiting for Pula, rain. Rain of opportunity. Rain of economic freedom. Rain of systems that finally work. But the rain does not ask if you are ready. It comes. And when it comes, those without containers call it a flood. Those who prepared call it a blessing. Do not wait for agreement. This one says survives. This one says transform. Another one says go back. Another says manage. Let them speak. Your work is not to resolve their argument. Your work is to prepare. Prepare your hands. Prepare your land. Prepare your mind. Learn to produce, not only to consume. Learn to move, not only to wait. Learn to see, not only to react. Because when the system shifts, and it will not ask who you voted for. It will reveal who prepared. Stand in the sun. Look at what you have. Look at what you can do. And start there. Ditlamelwana Pula di baakanngwa gale. Prepare early. Because the rain is not the problem. Unpreparedness is. We give thanks to the Most High. Danke san.